Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 3rd, 2022. We're going to talk about Polkadot today, and I want to show you something on the price chart that would distinguish the market being in a bullish trend, or at least a continuing bullish trend from the price chart perspective without the confusion. So before I get started, before I talk about my last video, my last price prediction into the market for Polkadot, if you all like the video, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on the content that I am creating here on this platform, because you're not going to get it anywhere simplistic than this. All you have to do is pay attention to what the market is trying to say in order to understand where we're trying to go. So make sure you guys do all of that before I get into this. All right, so check this out. I did a video for Polkadot on the 29th of January. So let me zoom in on the chart so you all can see what my expectations were. You guys can see here's the 29th. I was looking for the currency to go up in price, and it did that. And not only did it do that, I was telling you all that we wasn't going to be massively bullish into this currency. Maybe we could see the price hit $23 or $22 or so. You guys can see that that is exactly what the market did. And then it fell down, right? It started to go down. So we was right at the location to where the price flipped. This is how you're able to win and grab the bag without being scared, without being nervous. You have an idea as to where the market is going to flip, so you can take the profitability right before the market drops and you move on to the next play. This is it right here. Here's an example. That's 22.63% right there, grabbed on February the 7th, 2022. All right, now let's get rid of that, because I want to show you where the bullish trigger has occurred into the market in Polkadot, right? So in order for me to do this, I got to show you the price chart zoomed out. Look at this. Can you see where that bullish trigger occurred? It was just recent. It wasn't like it's been years and years ago. No, it was just recent. And here it is right here. Okay. This is where the bullish trigger occurred into the market in Polkadot. Why would I say that? Well, it's simple. I mean, look at the chart. The market in Polkadot confirmed the trend just like it did on July 22nd, 2021. It confirmed the trend again on the 25th of February, 2022. You guys can see what happened to the market price in Polkadot back in July of last year. So the expectation would be for us to see something like that again, right? Yeah, because the market confirmed the trend. We are still seeing price in Polkadot hold that ascending line. So the gist of the market right now in Polkadot is, yeah, the market is still anticipated to go up in price. It's just that simple. Let's not make this complicated. So many people try to make it complicated, try to make you think that they're some type of expert. It doesn't require all of that. All you have to do is focus in on the chart to see what the market is trying to do, and you just follow what they're doing, right? So look at this. Since we can see that the market in Polkadot confirmed the trend, and not only did it confirm the trend, you all can see here that the market in Polkadot also bounced off of $14. That's a good thing too, right? So we have confirmed that the buyers are willing to keep price propped up above $14, and the buyer also confirmed that they're willing to keep the market propped up above that trend. Those two things is going to be real vital for this market in Polkadot to continue its moving higher. That's it. Okay. So as we are on the lookout into this market in Polkadot, we need to keep our eyes open on those two things. Now, recently, this is the 3-day time frame, and the last 3-day time frame here into the market in Polkadot, it is still showing us some strength, right? We're still seeing buyers here into the market in Polkadot, albeit the spread is a lot smaller, but the volume is a little bit less than what it was on the previous 3-day price bar. So what does it mean? Well, it means that there was a little bit more buyers that came into the market on this last completed 3-day price bar right here on this arrow. Now, we're starting out right now seeing Polkadot on a downtrend. We're down 2% today, matter of fact. So that tells you again that this selling is not completely out the way. The market still has to go through the sellers, those who are trying to sell their dot in the cryptocurrency space. So this market is not extremely bullish. I don't want to give you all that type of perspective or that type of feeling, because it is not acting that way right now. This is Polkadot on the 2-day, right? So you guys can see here on this 2-day price bar right there. Yeah, that was selling going on, right? Yeah, people tried to sell out their Polkadot into the cryptocurrency space. And the good thing about it was that there was enough buyers, because if there wasn't enough buyers to buy the Polkadot that came in on this previous 2-day price bar, then that would have mean that we would not have seen the spread and the price close higher than the previous 2-day price bar. So what I'm trying to tell you is that this market is not extremely weak and it's not extremely bullish. So if anything, we can expect the market to at least continue to do this. All right, continue to trade sideways. Now, let me show you all what we have on the weekly time frame, because last week, yeah, we saw it right here. Decent volume came through, sellers came into the market, but we were still able to see the price close higher than the previous week. This is where we're seeing the indication that buyers are trying to keep the market in Polkadot from falling right now. Now, let me show you the hourly time frame, so we can try to see how strong is this market really, okay? Because right here on these 13-hour price bars, I don't like this. This tells you that this market is getting hit with still sellers, right? There's still sellers here. This 13-hour price bar is what I like. This tells me that this market in Polkadot is still trying to go up. But if we don't get some strength into the market relatively soon, guess what? Yeah, this market is going to continue to fall. And it's going to catch a lot of people off guard. Look at this on the 7-hour. You guys can still see that the sellers are still coming to the market here in Polkadot, right? So from out the gate, yeah, I'm seeing weakness. I mean, we can still anticipate the market weakness to occur in Polkadot. Like, I don't want you all to be oblivious to not think that the selling is not happening into the market in Polkadot, because it is. Yeah, it's still here. So when I do this price prediction, keep that in mind. So let's do this right now. I'm going to play some strength into the market in Polkadot though. Okay. So let me go ahead and push this back over to the daily time frame. And we already know, we confirmed that the buyers are in the market in Polkadot at least around $14, right? But the sooner that we see the buyers step in again on this anticipated movement lower right now, if we still see buyers come in and prop up the price in Polkadot on this trend, we already know that the market is still geared for higher prices. All right, so we got two areas to focus in on for Polkadot. This trend no lower than $14 though. All right, it tells us how strong the market is. The sooner the price goes down, the sooner we see buyers coming on this trend, the better. If the market price in Polkadot does not hold this trend, then we are definitely trending weaker right now. Okay. So now you guys can see here from this perspective, this area here is still restriction. Yeah, $20. We need to make sure that we at least take some profitability out the market in Polkadot around $20 right there. My second area is going to be around $22.50. Okay. And that's it. I got two price targets. Okay. First one is 20. Second one is 22.50 in or around 22.50. All right. Give me that. So this is the monthly time frame right here in Polkadot. Before I let you all go, I want you all to see that last month was a wash. Okay. There wasn't no definitive winners into the market trading last month for Polkadot. It was about even, the sellers and the buyers. Neither one has really outdone the other, because the market opened here. It opened at $19.38, and then we closed at $18.94. So it was kind of a wash. So this month here in Polkadot is going to be real important for the buyers to confirm themselves, because if so, longer term, monthly basis, yeah, we can see the price continue to go up. So be on the lookout for that too. All right. So I'm done. Real quick, let me know, what do you all suspect this market to do in Polkadot? Give me your price target. Give me your price prediction as to where you see this currency going. All right. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.